Welcome to Python Basics Tutorial Part 2, Introduction to Python Variables. Variable is a symbolic reference of an object. We can call a variable as object name. It means, a variable gives the data required for processing of a program. In Python, you don't require to declare a variable before its usage. Using built-in type function, we can ascertain the data type of a value. Variables declared inside a function are local variables. These can be accessed only by the parent function. Variables declared outside a function are global variables. These can be accessed by any function in the program. Accessing a local variable outside its parent function will throw error. Type conversion is the concept of converting the data type of a value from one type to another. There are 4 types of collection data type. List is an ordered and changeable collection. Tuple is an ordered and unchangeable collection. Set is unordered and unindexed collection. Dictionary is unordered, changeable and indexed collection. List and tuples allow duplicate elements whereas sets and dictionaries don't. Array can hold only single type of data elements whereas a list can hold any type of data elements. But both array and list stores data in the same way. Lists are mutable, meaning, a list can be changed or updated any time. Whereas, tuples are immutable, meaning, a tuple is a list that can't be changed once initialized. Negative indexing means beginning from the end. By specifying the start range and end range, a collection will return new collection with specified items. Since sets and dictionaries are not indexed, we can loop through them using for loop. Thank you. Please proceed to Python Basics Tutorial Part 3, Introduction to Python.